Hello, students! Welcome to the Unraveling the Puzzle of Permutation,
explaining the intricacies of arrangements.
I am Teacher John,
And I am Teacher Cho,
and welcome to our channel.
In the realm of mathematics, there exists a captivating concept that plays with the order of things, rearranging elements in a symphony of possibilities. Welcome to the enchanting world of permutation, where the art of arrangement takes center stage and the permutations of patterns unfold like a mesmerizing dance. Permutation, a fundamental concept in combinatorics, offers a window into the fascinating realm of order and arrangement. From permutations of letters in a word to arrangements of objects in a line, the possibilities are vast and varied as the stars in the night sky. Join us on a mathematical journey as we delve into the intricacies of permutation, exploring the principles, formulas, and applications that govern this captivating concept. Through engaging examples in real-world scenarios, we will unravel the puzzle of permutation and unlock the secrets to mastering the essential mathematical tool. Are you ready to embark on a voyage of discovery where the permutations of possibilities are endless and the thrill of rearrangement awaits at every turn? Let's dive into the world of permutation and uncover the beauty of order and arrangement in mathematics.
So since our topic is all about permutation, we will use the formula E quantity n r is equal to n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial, where n is an object to be selected and r is an object without repetition, wherein the order matters. So example, how many three-letters words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word swing when repetition of letters is not allowed? Here, n is equal to 5, since the word swing has 5 letters. Since we have to frame 3 letters word with and without meaning or without repetition, therefore the possible total of permutations are, since this is the formula, so 5 factorial all over quantity 5 minus 3 factorial. So it will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over, since 5 minus 3, so it will become 2. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120 all over 2. So 120 divided by 2 will become 60. So therefore, there are 60 ways to form out the letters. And aside from manual computation, we will also use the mathematical tool in order to solve the problem easier.
We will use a mathematical app or mathematical tool to solve the problem. So we will try to use a Mathway app. Just wait for a while. Okay, so we will simply take a picture. So here. So, in how many ways can you rank your favorite 3 movies from a list of 10? So, using the permutation formula, NPR is equal to n factorial all over quantity n minus r factorial. So, as we can see, there are 720 number of ways to rank the favorite 3 movies. So the answer is correct. But always remember that Mathway is a reliable tool that provides accurate solutions to math problems. However, it is important to keep in mind that Mathway is not perfect, so it may occasionally provide incorrect answer or solution. So it is better to know how to solve manual computation in order to know if the answer of mathematical tool or mathematical applications are the same to your answer.
As we draw the curtain on our exploration of permutation, we reflect on the intricate dance of arrangements, the symphony of possibilities, and the beauty of order that permeates the world of mathematics. Through our journey into the realm of permutation, we have uncovered the magic of rearrangement, the elegance of patterns, and the power of combinatorial thinking. Thank you for joining us on this mathematical journey through the enchanting world of permutation. Until we meet again to unravel more mathematical marvels, may your arrangement be harmonious, your permutation be endless, and your mathematical adventures be filled with wonder and discovery.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned what is permutation all about.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.